Video. Hello and welcome to Turning Point Language Institute. I am your host Tarun, again in front of you with yet another topic. Guys, I am inspired for this topic because of the lockdown. I see that because of the lockdown, the life of people has been changed entirely. It is just that some of them are able to adapt themselves for the new life, and some of them are rigid enough and still waiting for the time when the lockdown will be over and all the things will come in place. So, guys, this reminds me a topic which can be used in group discussions or in writing as well, that there are some people who do the same things throughout their life and do not entertain changes in life, while others always say that change is a good thing. And we need to discuss the attitudes of both the people in order to come to a conclusion that change is good or not. So, guys, what I feel is that a person who is adaptive to changes will never miss any opportunity that comes in his way. Guys, opportunities they knock your door once in a lifetime. The person who is flexible enough to grab those opportunities will become successful, and the one who is rigid will keep on thinking about it throughout his life. ऐसे जिमें कहते हैं ना कि सिर्फ 2 मिनट के लिए मेरे अंदर भगवान आया है, जेड़े दर्शन लै गए जेड़े रह गए. That is what happens with opportunities. So in order to grab those opportunities, a person should be very adaptive to the changes. Secondly, guys, we are living in a dynamic era where trends and methods of doing something keeps on changing on daily basis. By the time a person starts his education, one particular field is in boom, but by the time he ends it after 4 years, probably something else will be at boom. So every person should be aware and prepare themselves to make changes in life. Guys, there is a saying that who is the most powerful person? The one who has a lot of money, the one who has a lot of resources, or the one who is adaptive to changes? So the answer is the third choice. In fact, guys, if a person is not adaptive to changes, he will be hampering his personal as well as his professional growth. The students who want to study in a physical class, who say that सर जी ऑनलाइन क्लास में ना जी वो बात नहीं बनती, हम तो वेट करेंगे जब लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, उसके बाद जब क्लासेस लगेंगी तो हम आकर पढ़ना शुरू कर देंगे. We do not want to go for online classes. Guys, there might be a possibility that even after 6 to 7 months the full-fledgedly regular classes might not start at all. So don't you think that the people who are not adaptive to changes are actually putting themselves back by 1 or 1.5 years? So that is the reason I say that they do not, or they hamper their personal and their professional growth. And even if we leave apart this criteria of becoming successful or not, don't you think that doing the same things throughout the life will make your life quite monotonous? I'm an IELTS trainer. Every day I wake up, सर जी रीडिंग कर लो, सर जी राइटिंग कर लो, सर जी लिसनिंग कर लो, सर जी स्पीकिंग कर लो. ऐसा करते करते ही मेरे को पता लगता है कि घड़ी में रात के 10-11 बज गए हैं. नाउ आई हैव टू स्लीप. So don't you think that my life will become monotonous? And in order to break that monotony, I should be flexible enough that rigidity should not be there in my life. Guys, the trees who are rigid, they get broken by the winds, but the ones who are flexible, they mold themselves according to the direction of the wind. So that is why it is very necessary for a person to remain ready for changes. Now let us think about the other attitude, the people who do not want to make changes in their life or who do not entertain variety. Guys, there is one group of people who are very afraid of becoming unsuccessful in their life, and that is only the reason that they are reluctant to try something new. Sometimes they become master in their own trade and they become extremely successful people, but most of the times the story goes other way around. And there are yet some people who are very passionate about their work, who are very passionate about their hobbies. These are the people who make their hobbies or who convert their hobbies into their profession. In those people as also, it doesn't matter that they are achieving success or not. They are so passionate that they keep on following their hobby no matter what. घर पे खाने को दाने नहीं हैं, चूल्हे के अंदर आग नहीं है, मगर फिर भी आदमी जो है वो कहेगा कि भाई मुझे तो गाने ही लिखने हैं। अभी तक मेरा गाना किसी गीतकार ने सिलेक्ट नहीं किया, मगर कभी ना कभी तो ज़रूर करेगा, एंड टिल देन मेरे बच्चे थोड़ी बहुत भूख काट भी लेंगे तो क्या बात है। सो दैट इज़ द कैटेगरी, एंड आई डोंट थिंक दैट दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल आर रियलिस्टिक. You need to be realistic in life, and at the same time you should be a risk taker. Without taking risk, it is very difficult to be successful. However, you should be wise enough to calculate the level of that risk and then take your steps accordingly. So at the end, I would just like to say that a person should be absolutely open to changes so that he does not leave any opportunity that comes in his way. At the same time, he should be realistic enough and should make sure that just to make changes, he should not put himself in any kind of trouble. And guys, if you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my new videos. If you want to contact me for something, you can call me at 78144 I use my WhatsApp at the same number. Drop me a message and I'll follow you. Thank you.